I needed to organize my craft room because it was getting so uninspired, and I just didn't feel like creating anything because stuff was just everywhere. So I decided to buy these two bookcases at Walmart for $29, and the third one, which is a smaller one, is at $22. Then I headed to the Dollar Tree in Harbor Freight to get me some, to get me some containers to help me organize things. So I'm going to show you guys today what I got from the Dollar Tree. So first, I got magazine covers. So I have my books and scrapbooking materials, and then I have these containers, which are awesome. And I just have some stuff that I want to put away, and some incomplete crochet items here. And then I love these baskets, and check it out. Now I have some needles and knitting, crochet needles and knitting needles, and then 8.5 by 11 letter organizer, so I'll be able to put all my shipping and labels and invoices in that. I was watching Bait House on YouTube, and she used a lot of clear container from the Dollar Tree, and I was really inspired by that. So I got tons of these clear containers to help me divide items in the drawers, and you'll see them throughout my help me organize some of my products here, and they're all divided by the clear containers. And then here's another clear container from the Dollar Tree. I like this because you don't have to look for the top. I wish they had more. They only had one. Then I have these shoe boxes. They're clear. Yes, and I grabbed about 10 of those. Most of the time they come in like white lids, but I'm glad they have these clear containers to help me really see through what's inside. Then they also have these cupcake holders, and yeah, they have clear tops, and I bought like about 6 of them. Have my punchers here and some felt materials. Yeah, I like those. And what else? And a whole glass container here. Have my knitting needles in there. And what else? Oh, okay, here's some of my favorite here. These are like click and lock fruit containers. They had an additional container that was inside because it's made for fruit, so I guess your fruits will last longer because they're not sitting in their own juice. But I took the extra container that was inside, and I just used them, and they did come in different color, but I offered the clear ones with the gray holders there. Yeah. Let me show you another one. Here's another one. These are awesome because they're acrylic, made plastic. The only thing I don't like about them are sometimes when you pull the drawer, you have a hard time of putting them back in. I've seen some people to where they actually glue them together. See, like this one. Let me see. So yeah, sometimes, like right now, I have a hard time of putting them back in, but I think I'm getting a hang of them. Yeah, these are awesome because it helps you organize some miscellaneous items. Again, I like them because they're clear. Then I've always had these, but yeah, and I had tons of them, and I got some more back there. And yeah, I do use them quite a bit. Right now they're empty, but I do have some there that have things in it. And then these jars are stackable. I love these so much. I got a few of them in my kitchen to hold my spices, and you can stack them. But right now what I'm doing is I have some face scrubbies that I have inside, and I'm just gonna give these away to friends and families. This one is containing some of my plastic storage. Yeah. Oh, here's another clear thing from the Dollar Tree. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I got it just because it's clear. And yeah, that's it. Hope this gives you some ideas on your organization for your craft room, and able to save some money by shopping at Dollar Tree. Thank you for watching.